Today, I am reviewing the Samsung T7 Portable SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To properly evaluate the Samsung T7, we have to start with its core performance metrics, because speed is the single most important factor when you are moving away from old, spinning hard drives. This drive completely shatters the performance of legacy portable drives by utilizing advanced internal solid-state drive technology. Samsung has rated the T7 to deliver sequential read speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second and sequential write speeds of up to 1,000 megabytes per second. In practice, this makes the T7 almost twice as fast as the older Samsung T5 model. When you plug this drive into a compatible port, transferring massive files becomes an afterthought. For instance, moving a large 10-gigabyte folder filled with high-resolution travel photos or project documents takes roughly 10 seconds. If you are a digital professional, this means you can actively edit high bitrate video timelines directly off the drive without transferring the assets onto your computer's internal storage first, freeing up your internal system drive completely. The speed architecture of the T7 relies heavily on Samsung's proprietary TurboWrite technology, which uses a high-performance, single-level cell cache buffer to absorb massive incoming file transfers seamlessly. For daily use, this ensures that files copy at maximum speeds instantly. To protect this sustained speed during long, continuous write sessions, Samsung has integrated advanced thermal defense systems inside the aluminum enclosure. The drive uses an encapsulated phase change material pad combined with their signature dynamic thermal guard technology. This internal hardware layout acts as a shield against excess heat, absorbing thermal energy during intense transfers and releasing it gradually. In real-world testing, even when writing hundreds of gigabytes of continuous data, the exterior of the drive stays perfectly safe and comfortable to the touch, remaining well below international safety limits, which prevents aggressive thermal throttling and ensures your transfer speeds stay stable from start to finish. This exceptional speed also opens up high-resolution video recording capabilities directly onto the drive, making it a perfect sidekick for mobile filmmakers and tech gurus. If you are using a modern device like the iPhone 15 Pro or higher, you can plug the T7 directly into the device's universal serial bus Type-C port and record ultra-high-definition video in pristine ProRes format at 4K 60 frames per second directly onto the external storage. This completely bypasses your phone's internal storage limitations, allowing you to shoot long cinematic sessions without ever stopping to delete apps or clear space. The same functionality extends to compatible mirrorless cameras and advanced recording rigs, making it an invaluable tool for creators who need to back up their blogs or file their footage in an instant. Physically, the design of the Samsung T7 is an absolute marvel of compact engineering. It is remarkably small, measuring roughly the size of a standard credit card and weighing only 58 grams, with a thickness of just 0.3 inches. It slides effortlessly into a tight jeans pocket, a small pouch in your backpack, or even the palm of your hand. Despite its featherweight design, it offers exceptional structural integrity. Samsung has constructed the enclosure from a solid aluminum unibody that provides robust drop resistance and shock protection from falls up to 6 feet. You can toss this drive into a cluttered camera bag, travel across rough environments, or accidentally knock it off a desk without worrying about losing your vital data. There are no moving internal parts to break or misalign upon impact, providing complete peace of mind that a traditional mechanical external hard drive could never match. Device compatibility is another area where the T7 truly shines as a multi-device team player. Out of the box, it adapts seamlessly to an extensive range of hardware ecosystems. Whether you are connecting to a Windows personal computer, an Apple MacBook running Mac operating system, an Android tablet, or a modern mobile phone, the T7 connects instantly without requiring complicated reformatting or setup steps. It also works flawlessly as extended storage for high-end gaming consoles, allowing you to store and load massive game archives efficiently. To ensure you can connect to everything right out of the box, Samsung includes two premium 18-inch long universal serial bus cables inside the package, one Type-C to Type-C cable for modern hardware, and one Type-C to Type-A cable for legacy ports. Data security is handled beautifully through built-in advanced hardware-based advanced encryption standard 256-bit security. By using the embedded Samsung Portable Solid-State Drive Management software, which is pre-installed on the drive and fully compatible with computers and Android devices, you can easily set an optional, ultra-secure password to protect your files. If you lose the drive while traveling, your sensitive working documents, personal photographs, and private backups remain fully encrypted and completely inaccessible to anyone else. On top of that, the management utility allows you to monitor drive health and install official firmware updates seamlessly. When you look at the heritage of the product, it is backed by the reputation of the world's #1 flash memory brand since 2003. Samsung manufactures all critical internal components and firmware completely in-house, including their world-renowned dynamic random access memory and vertical negative and flash components, ensuring a level of quality control and long-term reliability that third-party brands cannot replicate. Backed by a solid 3-year limited warranty, the T7 stands out as a highly reliable, high-speed storage solution. If you are looking to secure a major workflow upgrade that combines blistering speeds, rugged aluminum durability, full mobile device integration, and elite data security during this premier shopping window, the Samsung T7 1TB portable solid-state drive is an absolute must-have device that delivers top-tier value for every penny spent.